Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to simply pin contact on iPhone. Let's start. So, when do you pin contact? This is actually applicable, guys. For example, on your messages, you wanted to prioritize the contact that you wish to see right away. So, say for example, if my sister is sending me messages if there's a current emergency, or say if there's like a very wonderful news that I'm expecting, so I want to make sure that I won't miss any of her messages. I need to make sure that she's pinned, so she's like at the top of my messages. Say for example, I'm gonna open my messages, guys. So here you'd see real estate agent. So if I'm gonna pin a message, say for instance, I'm gonna be pin this contact right here, you would be able to see an option that says pin. Okay, so once I do that, you would be able to see that the contact is has been pinned successfully. Okay, so all of her messages, guys, would actually go at the top most of the messages. I could also do this, say for another contact, and you would be able to see this feature right here. Now I don't want to go through the messages. There's also like in case for example that you wanted to have a tutorial in case you forget how it's done, you could definitely go to support@apple.com as well, and then you would be able to see a lot of features here, options, and how you could pin your contacts and how you could actually unpin them as well. So there's ways for you to do that. And if you want to learn more about iPhone features, you could always subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, guys, and I hope you learned something today, please hit on thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.